Well, we wouldn't be Declan Swans without Declan Swans, so we sing about local characters, and anyone who watches Wrexham might have come across a fella called Timmy Binns, and for probably 30 years he's gone on supporters buses, and he's basically dressed as a kangaroo at 60 years of age, and he hops back and two, so I think it'd be an honour to Timmy tonight. He's not very well at the moment, he's got kidney stones, I believe, Jonesy, is he? So this one's dedicated to Timothy Lloyd Cotton Jones, better known as Timmy Binns. Consecutive wins, anxious times for Timmy Binns. They always seem nervous, protecting the lead. The treble was up if they didn't succeed. The tumbler is starting to regular break, seizing upon a defensive mistake, rounding the keeper, finding the net. Last minute drama ruined his back. Football, plenty of booze, cuckoo clocks and kangaroos, a dozen aviation gins. It's never dull with Timmy Binns. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy the bus kangaroo. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy the bus kangaroo. Despondent, his coupon was down. He made some arrangements to venture to town. Down in his sorrows with plenty of beers, a couple of pints in the Fusiliers. Onto the Paris as previously planned, a perfect location for watching a band. Saturday nights are a bit of a blur. He liked it sweet from Africa. Cuckoo clocks and kangaroos, a dozen aviation gins. It's never dull with Timmy Binns. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy the bus kangaroo. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy the bus kangaroo. A pre-season friendly inferior waits. Now he can finally visit the States. Philadelphia's calling at last. A session with Mac and the rest of the cast. Not forgetting Ryan Reynolds. The suitcase is packed and the dog's in the kennel. The suitcase is packed and the dog's in the kennel. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy the bus kangaroo. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy the bus kangaroo. A pre-season friendly inferior waits. Now he can finally visit the States. Philadelphia's calling at last. A session with Mac and the rest of the cast. Not forgetting Ryan Reynolds. The suitcase is packed and the dog's in the kennel. The suitcase is packed and the dog's in the kennel. Whoa. Timmy, Timmy, Timmy the bus kangaroo. 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 Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. And thank you to this marvellous orchestra.